What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where the embargo has lifted. And I can finally tell you guys that the 2024 Alfa Romeo Tonale is starting production. Now, you probably thought a video was not going to be posted today because I'm a little later than my normal scheduled post, but I had to wait until that 8 a.m. embargo lift to let you know that Alfa Romeo today announced that the official start of the retail production of the all-new 2024 Tonale has commenced. Yes, the 2024 version here in North America. We didn't get the 2023 version that debuted in Europe last year, but we have the new PHEV that is debuting as a 2024 model year. Yes, it's Alfa Romeo's first plug-in hybrid, built in Pomigliano d'Arco in Naples, Italy, one of the company's most advanced production sites. Now, the Tonale will begin arriving in dealerships here in the United States in June, and a starting U.S. manufacturer's suggested retail price, or MSRP, of $42,995. Now, customers can now build and price their Alfa Romeo Tonale through alfaromeousa.com, and from there you can align it with your preferred dealer and finalize the purchase. Now, initial pre-orders open with the all-new 2024 Alfa Romeo Tonale TI and Veloce trim levels, with the Sprint available later on this year. And as I mentioned earlier, customers can build their TI and Veloce Tonale through alfaromeousa.com. Now, customers who choose to lease their all-new Tonale can take advantage of the $7,500 federal EV tax credit. That's pretty huge. If you lease, you're going to get a great deal on this thing. And that's important because the price for the new 2024 Tonale starts with the Sprint at $42,995, $44,995 for the TI, and $47,995 for the Veloce. And that does not include the $1,595 destination charge. But before that charge, the cheapest, shall I say, or most affordable Alfa Romeo Tonale will be the Sprint. And that's if you lease it, because if you lease it, well, the Sprint is only going to cost you, before that destination charge, $35,495. Now, the all-new 2024 Tonale Super has a new era of luxury, electrification, and connectivity, while really remaining true to the race-inspired DNA that Alfa Romeo is known for. And as the first compact sport utility vehicle from Alfa Romeo, customers here in North America can experience the 112 years of heritage built into every car. Now, there's an evolution in performance here because we have the plug-in hybrid powertrain with a 15.5 kilowatt lithium-ion battery and 90 kilowatt electric motor that delivers an electric range of more than 30 miles. And to charge that battery on a level 2 charger, it'll take you about 2.5 hours. Now, the additional 1.3 liter turbocharged engine contributes to the best-in-class 285 horsepower, and every Alfa Romeo Tonale is all-wheel drive. Now, you also have technicalities like the exhilarating driving dynamics that are assisted by a rapid response frequency damping suspension, or FDS system, engineered to create a comfortable ride and automatically adjust the suspension for more spirited driving. And the Tonale also features a bunch of driver assistance systems, Uconnect 5, and all-new connectivity platform with Alfa Romeo Connect, and of course modern Italian styling with Alfa Romeo's new design DNA with the Tonale setup. So with that said, North American customers, our time has finally come. We finally get our chance to get our hands on the Alfa Romeo Tonale starting today as far as orders go. And then we will see the car arrive in dealerships within the next 3 months. It's been a long wait, but we're finally getting our retribution here, guys. So what do you guys think about the Tonale? What do you guys think about the prices here in the United States? What do you guys think about only the TI and Veloce versions on the order books first, with the Sprint to come later? And do you plan on leasing just because of that $7,500 federal EV tax credit? Let me know what you guys are thinking down below. Now, if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we'll have a bigger discussion on the start of production of the 2024 Alfa Romeo Tonale in North America. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down in the description below. I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, and Patreon, just in case you guys want to donate an extra $1 or $2 to the channel. Appreciate that love, guys. Thank you so much. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rise merch and check out my social media links down in the description below. Now, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise video. Peace.